Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cancel an order on Facebook Marketplace. So now, the first thing that you will need to do is to open your web browser. Either it was Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Google Chrome, or any web browser. After that, you will need to go to facebook.com in the URL and click enter. Now, you will need to create a Facebook account if you don't already have it. To do so, you will need just to click create new account and it will take you to the new account creation. So basically all you need to do is to fill in all this information and then you will click on sign up. After that, you will have your Facebook account that will be created successfully. Then all you need to do is to go again to facebook.com and then you will add your account or you are going to log in to your account. So basically you click on login after you fill in your email and password and it will take you to your account. And now the last thing to do is to go to the marketplace and now all it remains to do again is to follow these simple steps. Now, after you reached or accessed the marketplace, you need to follow these simple steps. So basically, if you don't, if you are not using a checkout payment or checkout method, you will need just simply to talk with the seller to cancel this order. So basically, if he already like sent a plan or a meetup plan, if it was like a regular marketplace or method, so if it was a public meetup or door pickup or other door drop off, you will need just to wait from this the buyer to cancel the meetup plan. So it needs just to go to meetup plans and then cancel the plan and cancel. And by that, as you can see, the buyer or the buyer has deleted the meetup plan, and by that the order is automatically cancelled because you didn't have checkout payment or any other online payments. So basically by that you can just cancel an order and that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.